all have a good moan about women, don't we? We all like to have a good moan about women, especially women drivers. But could you imagine if the world was womanless? Do you know what I mean? There were no women in the world whatsoever, just men. All the women were gone. We'd all be a bit queer, wouldn't we? Bit like that George boy. George boy. George boy. Do you really want to hurt me? Do you really want to make me cry? Yes! Bramcote Crematorium. Can you see the big chimney pot over there? Bramcote Crematorium. Yes, they take you there when you die. You go for all that trauma of dying, then they take you there and set you on fire. Well, I decided to bite the bullet last week and I've finally become a man. I've had a tattoo. No, I've had 2 tattoos actually. Yeah, because my channel's called Road Rodent, I thought I'd have 2 R's on each thigh. You know, my upper thighs, front, I've got an R on one side and an R on the other thigh. But they never get it right, do they? They always cock it up. I've got an R, and then the other side looks more like a P. So when I'm naked, it spells the word R.I.P. Yeah, I went to the doctor's the other day and he says, get on the couch. I says, what for? He says, I want to sweep the floor. Yeah, and I went to the confessions the other week. Got in the box and the priest says, oh, good morning, child, how are you? Forgive me, Father, I have sinned. What have you done this time, rodent? Well, I went out with 2 women last night, and when we got back, we had sexual intercourse. And then when I'd finished, I watched them 2 have sexual intercourse. Oh dear child, that is disgusting. I want you to go home and get 4 lemons. 4 lemons? Yes, get 4 lemons and squeeze them into a glass and drink them. Oh, would that take away my sins? No, but it'll take the smile off your face. And here we are at the Trent. That's the forest ground. That's a cyclist. They're all going fishing, I think. Looks like they're going fishing. Whoops. Of course, one way to pick a boat up. And there's the Trent Bridge. And up they go. But these people think I'm mad. They're not far wrong, are they? It's the only best way to keep the wife quiet. Stick her on the back of your bike without a microphone. Can you see me? Can drivers see me? I wonder why car drivers can't see bikers. Because they're so relaxed and chilled out, man. They're all so relaxed and chilled out. Look, look. Woo. I'm so relaxed and chilled out in my Rover 214. I didn't see you, dude. I didn't see you till you was on the floor. You know, if there is life after death and you come back as a little white ball, a little white orb, or is it dust, or is it a fly, or is it an insect? No, you come back as an orb when you're a ghost, you come back as an orb. Well, how the hell are you going to ride your motorcycle if you're an orb? Good news, there's life after death. but you can't ride your motorbike. Roll on summer, eh? That's what I say. Remember last year in August it was 85 degrees. So I stripped off naked and got my beach towel out, went sunbathing in the garden. Next minute there's a knock on the door. It's the police. The lady next door's been looking at you outside her bedroom window. And now you're done for indecent exposure. 6 months later I got out of prison, looked out my bedroom window, and there she is on her garden with a beach towel, completely naked, sunbathing. And got another knock on the door. Got to throw away another 6 months for being a peeping Tom.
I'll see you in another life, brother.